Hello viewers, a quick top tip for you now for those thinking about starting out trading, investing stocks but don't have a big fund size pot of money to put into this endeavor. What do I mean by big fund size? Well, we're talking hundreds, maybe a few $1,000s, pounds to put in to this. Now you might want to get into stocks and you're looking at those stock prices, Nvidia around 600, Apple near 200, and you're thinking, well, I can't even afford to do anything really in this space. But there are ways around this. Now you could get into options trading, but my advice there is that you need a bit more experience, a bit more money in the account. I think normally about $25,000 I think in the States to make it worthwhile if you want to go the trading route. But the other way, which is a newish approach that a lot of brokers have introduced to get around this problem of the high stock price, is to build in this functionality called fractional trading. Now, what does fractional trading actually mean? Well, if, for example, Nvidia was trading at $500, that means one share, one stock is worth that amount. Now, that might be out of our reach, but fractional trading allows you to specify an amount of that $500 that you want to invest in. So you might only have $10, $20 to put into Nvidia, fits into your trading and investing plan. Well, you can go into a lot of these broker platforms and specify you only want to spend $20 on Nvidia stock. Therefore, you are getting just a fraction of the Nvidia stock price. You still get the dividends. That's the whole concept of stock trading still applies to here, but you're just getting a fractional exposure of one share, and that in itself can allow you, with that small account fund, to start getting into the world of trading and investing stocks. Now let's have a quick look at a typical example of this. So we're in a broker account that offers fractional trading. Now we can use Apple stock as the example. Stock price of Apple $192.42 for one share. Now that might be, we got a budget of $500 in our portfolio. That's far too much of it to risk on any one purchase. So in the order entry part here, you notice you get some options of how many shares you like to buy, but you can also buy percentages and quantity. So this is the one we're interested in. So say we wanted to set $20 as the amount that we wanted to trade. We would do that. We would place our order and we would get $20 worth of one Apple share. It's as simple as that. It's going to allow you to get exposure to those stocks that you thought previously were unavailable, and allow you to build up your portfolio and grow it over time, around your strategy and investment ideas. Now, the good thing for you guys is that this concept is becoming more common globally. Now, I've just put down a quick list of potential brokers here. I'm not affiliated with any of them, just ones that you could potentially use to do fractional trading wherever you are in the world. Now, we've got companies like Tasty Trade, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, Webull, SoFi, Revolut, two banks there that offer that sort of thing, and a company like eToro. So there's a few names there that you could investigate further that offer this type of service. And to me, I think it's a great solution to get you into stock trading, especially the bigger stocks that you'd want to invest in. It's not pushing you out of the market. You're allowed to get in, put a fraction of a share in there, and off you are up and running in that world of stock trading and investing. And if you like to learn more about trading and investing, I've got a great free course on the YouTube channel playlist, the ultimate free trading course. Work your way from top to bottom. It covers all these sort of things like stocks, equities, strategies, psychology, risk management, the whole lot. It's all in there for you. 30 years of experience put into that playlist work your way through it, like I said, and you'll come out the other side a much more knowledgeable, hopefully better trader. And that playlist coming up right now.